In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Nissan Quest key fob. You can see I have two models here. This one is 4, 5 button. There's also a 6 button and a 3 button version. It does not matter which one you have. You can follow along with this video as the process is the same for all of them, as is the battery. The only things you'll need to get this process done are a CR2032 battery. You'll need just one of those, and then a screwdriver, flathead screwdriver to get this thing open and get the battery out. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, you can go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these batteries for a great price. So the first step here is just to flip it over and hold this down while you pull out the internal key. From here, actually going to go for this smaller flathead. You just want something that is able to fit in that little indentation right there, that opening. Just insert your flathead in there, push it down and twist just enough to start to open this thing up. You'll hear it crack open. You'll see an opening on the side. From here, just take the same tool and go down that opening, just gently twisting, going slowly as to not damage the plastic. And eventually, this thing will open up enough that you can just pull it apart with your fingers. There we go. Now we have access to the battery, and we're just going to use the same tool here to gently lift up the battery, trying to get under it and pry it out of place. When you're putting your new battery in there, and again, this is a CR2032, you want this positive side that has the plus sign on it to be facing down. So just set it into place and push it down. Make sure that it's sitting in there securely. And then you can just reattach the two halves of the device. And you want to not play with this too much. This can start to come out, but then you'll just simply set it back into place. But just kind of keep this level while you do this part. And then just once everything is lined up, you just squeeze. Put your key back in there and you are finished. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, you can always drop us a like or let me know about it down in the comment section. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We have you covered with tutorials for the devices for most models out there. And you can also get this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.